thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be making a DIY projector. But before we get into that, I have a special guest.
What's up?
My brother Manny. He's going to be helping me out today.
Well, I guess. Let's just do a Pac-Man thing.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
Wait, do you hear that noise?
What noise?
Look out!
So you'll be needing a plastic cup, clear tape, Sharpies or permanent markers, scissors, a flashlight, a bright flashlight, and that's all. So now you're going to take your scissors and cut off the bottom of your cup. Apply the tape on the bottom. So first, start by drawing the figure that you want. So when you're finished, grab your flashlight, turn off the lights, and see how it turns out. What are you doing? That was fun. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Have something to say?
Like and subscribe.
Peace.
Peace.